Hello, this is Mariam Jallo. I will be presenting my final project on the values of humanity in the 21st century. We value things that we find interesting. Because of negative and positive values, learning humanity through art will enhance individual knowledge of history even for those who dislike art. I will discuss different valuable genres by amazing historian artists to a group of students in non-humanity fields. First, I will talk about the Summer Evening painting by Charles Hassan, an American impressionist. It was oil on canvas by 1218 times 23/8 inches in 1886. The scene commemorates Hassan's recollection an ordinary evening in New Hampshire, which shows an extrinsic value of a painter in a relaxed moment. Now I'll talk about Do Not Go Gentle Into That Good Night by Dylan Thomas. I will play the clips. This clip is by him.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rage.
The poet wrote this emotional poem while his father was on his deathbed, telling him not to die, to try to struggle, to hold on to life. He uses significant skills in blending sounds and meaning. The poet indicates a remarkable ways writers strengthen their language and charge it with meanings.
Rage against the dying of the light. Wild men who caught and sang the sun in flight, and learned too late they breathed it on
You want to listen to it? You can Google Do Not Go Gentle Into That Good Night by Dylan Thomas.
Brave men near death.
Now I'll talk about Romeo and Juliet by Julius Caesar. Did I just say Julius Caesar? Excuse me. By Shakespeare. Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet is a tragic hero and heroine play where two innocent lovers are not permitted to love because of the hatred their parents have for each other. I will play a video clip when Romeo is dying while kissing Juliet after drinking the poison.
Still will I remember with worms the paradise in the name of God.
They struggle to hold on to their love, however they end up taking their own lives for the love for each other. You can watch the whole movie on YouTube or other websites. This shows a successful advantages of theater on stage. Now we'll talk about Gregory Greuthson's painting, which was untitled and was painted in 2001. He uses multiple light sources which give him an unsettling qualities. If you look at the photograph, you would see you see the light source coming out of the doors, the windows, he could take a month preparing for a single work. I would say this photograph shows an objective its value, because I totally agree that not because no one shows an interest of the photograph, meaning it's not valuable at all, because the photograph has its value independently, as it's stated in the book. Value is in the object independently by any subject. Okay. This image suggests for preparation for film for feature film, in which the colors are carefully balanced, as you could see in a real film. Conclusion. In conclusion, humanities today are referred to as creative, are referred to human creativity, not math or science. Artists are humanists, however they differ from other humanists because they create works that reveal value. Artists clarify value through artistic revelation. Studying art will deepen our knowledge of understanding values through artistic form, perspectively and conceptually, etc. For instance, Dorothea Lange, My Grandmother, 1936. This photograph right here is so it gives us a clear intrinsic values of a my grandmother's sufferance during the Great Depression. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand the values of humanity through the art.